Hi everyone, this is Joyce from Ludington Library. We thought you might be interested in learning how to access the Philadelphia Inquirer through the library. So I'm here today to show you how. Give me a minute to change my screen and I'll walk you through all the steps. Alright, so here we are. The first thing you want to do is go to the Lower Merion Library System website. The URL is www.lmls.org. You can see it here in the address bar. When you get to the home page, this is what it looks like. You're going to select Explore Our eLibrary and click on Online Resources. This will have a list of all of the resources that we have available to you to use for free with your library card. We're going to scroll down the list all the way to the Philadelphia Inquirer and click on the title. Here, a screen will pop up and it will ask you for your library card number. It's possible that the screen will actually ask for your username and password, but it will have a blue sentence like this below it asking for the opposite. Do you have a library card? And what you'll want to do is click it, then enter your library and your library card number. When you enter your library card number, be sure to enter all 14 digits without any spaces or dashes. Once you enter your library card number here, you just want to click the login button and it will bring you to our next page, which looks something like this. All right, so here we are. You'll notice that it says Philadelphia Inquirer right here. This product is provided by a company called Newsbank. That's why you see their logo. If you scroll below, you'll see a list of 2 Inquirer options. So why do we have 2 options? And the reason is one option is only provided in text format. That means there's a list of all the articles by date in text without any photos. And the second option is the image option. That is an exact replica of the newspaper as you would see it if you had the print version. So what you want to do is click on the bottom option, or in your list they could be in opposite order. You'll just click on the option that's the image option. Okay, and once it loads, you'll see what it looks like. It's got a search bar at the top along with a bunch of dates and a calendar. So you can search for articles in 2 ways. The first is you could go up to the search bar and look for articles that were about a certain thing. So you could type in your keyword or a name. Maybe you like a particular columnist. You could type in their name in this search bar and click the search button, and it will give you a list of results that have that keyword in the article. The other option is just simply to look at the entire newspaper from a particular date. So you could go down to this calendar and select any of the days on this calendar. This is for 2020. You can also change the year. We have full image back to 2018. So you could select any of these years. It will give you a new calendar, and then you could choose an article from a different day. You can also look right here. They have a little shortcut for the past week. You can select any of these days. So I'm going to select Wednesday's paper. Okay, and to see just a little more information, I'm going to click this hide button that's right here. That gives us a bigger view on the screen. And what you see here is the front page of the newspaper as it actually looks in print. If you'd like to zoom in on any element, you would just go up here to the corner and click on the plus button. You can even move the newspaper with your mouse, and you can click the minus button to zoom out. To navigate, there are a couple different ways you can move forward in the paper. You can just click this little arrow here and it will move forward page by page. Or you can come over to the left here. You see these thumbnails. You can scroll down the thumbnails and jump around. So maybe you want to jump to the next section of the newspaper. You just click on the thumbnail and it will load that page. And the final way is you can select just by number. the different page numbers of the newspaper. So I'll click on C4 here, see what it is. Ah, perfect, it's the puzzle. So that gives me a perfect opportunity to show you the final thing about this database, and that is these blue menu items along the top. These are all actions you can take with the pages in the newspaper. You could email a page, you can clip a page and save the image onto your computer, you could print a page, download a page, save a page, and link a page. So I'm going to show you how to print the puzzle. Maybe you want to take a little time and do it. You could print the full page. That would include all of the comics that you see, but I just want a little selection of this page. I just want the puzzle itself. So it gives you a square that you can stretch. Scroll down a little bit. I'm going to stretch it all the way down here. Good, I think that's good. So it will print whatever's in my square. I'll just say print clip. If you would like to include a citation so you know what newspaper this is from and the date, you can do that, and then you would just click the print button here. Your print dialog box for your computer should pop up then, and you'll have another print button to click, and then you'll have a printout of the puzzle to do at your leisure for the rest of the day. If you'd like to go back and see another issue of the newspaper, all you have to do is come up to the left corner and click on Philadelphia Inquirer. And you'll get the calendar, and you can select another day. And that does it for today's tutorial on how to use the Philadelphia Inquirer. So glad you came over and watched. I hope you enjoy your access. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We're happy to help. Have a good day.